Welcome back. I'm still here at the same position and almost the same time. I'm recording this at one time. Okay. So in this lecture, we will be downloading and installing Blender, which is super easy and simple. But if you still need to, you can just watch this thing. You can follow up. So let's get started. Okay. So first of all, come up here to your any Chrome browser that you have and just search for Blender and click on the download key. You will get this thing, and here you will come up here to the Blender official website. Make sure it's blender.org/downloads. If it's not, then don't download it cause it might be virus. Okay, so start with the Blender. For now it's the current time, we have the Blender 3.5, but if you are watching this course and it's the latest one, this that will be more good, so you can use that. Okay, so just click on download and click on download. Okay, so it will take a little while. It's 276 MB, but I'll already downloaded the same file, so let's just skip this thing and go from that. Okay, so there we have the setup file, so just double click on that and now click on next, accept, next, install, yes. Okay, in a few seconds we install the Blender software, so let's finish and come up here, search for Blender, and you will get this thing, or you can come up to the desktop and you can just click on that. So the same thing, and here we have our software. So in the next lecture it will be the first look of Blender, so watch that.